This video is a gift to all my viewers. Merry Christmas. There's a Tantalizing Fox and a 1968 Chevy Balloon Camaro. Whee! There's a sizzling hottie and a 1928 Ford Custom Sedan delivery. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. Therefore, I am now accepting $1 cash donations or more if you're comfortable with it. Please, no checks. Please send your donation to the address listed. Thank you for your support. Wowzer! There's a wild-looking honey in a 1978 Pontiac Trans Am custom two-door coupe. Ooh-wee! There's a sweet-looking body and a 1938 Chevy pickup. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.